Oh my god, it's a very dangerous snake. He catches the snake. It's rotten pond, the fisherman. Oh no, oh no, oh my god. It's very dangerous. It's very dangerous. Oh my god. Yes, yeah, lot of snake. Yeah. Fishermen go fishing in the rotten pond and catch a lot of snake, which we are surprised to see and keep saying, oh my god, oh my god, yeah, it's a very dangerous snake. He catches the lot of snake. Oh my god, wow, it's a village man. Oh my god, it's a village man catch the snake. Oh my god, oh no, the village man catch the lots of snake and he showing snake dance, snakes games. Oh my god, oh my god, it's very dangerous. Oh no, oh no, oh fine, fine. The fisherman catches lots of fish. Oh no, the village man, oh my god, the village man catches the snake and showing the snake games. Oh my god, more snake and more snake. Oh my god, the snake running. Oh my god, the snake running. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh my god. Oh snake, snake running. Oh my god, oh my god. It's very dangerous, it's very dangerous. The village man catches the snake and showing the snake games. And we are surprised see this catching snake. The fisherman catching lots of fish. Oh my god, the village man. Oh no. More snake and more snake. Oh my god. Wow. It's a big snake. It's a big snake. It's a big snake. And more little snakes. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh, fine. Many people record the snake dance with mobile camera, lots of system. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah.